Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sunny Side. I'm Sunny, and this video is the introductory video to my online astrology course that I'm creating for a couple of the teaching websites right now. If you're new here, I used to write horoscopes for newspapers in Canada. I make fun astrological list videos. I give private readings, group lectures, and obviously I teach astrology. Also, as you can see, I usually write everything down and just read it to you so I don't miss anything. That's why it looks like this. Most of my videos look like this. A good teacher teaches from their notes because, well, that's what you're paying for, man, or you'd be studying with someone else. All right, next, whatever. This video, it's linked to both the podcast and the playlist on my YouTube channel, TheSunnySide. So if you want a sneak peek at what I'm doing, or if you want to watch the videos before they all get posted to the teaching websites like Udemy or Skillshare, or, and most importantly, if you want to save money by only downloading the videos that are relevant to you without having to pay for the entire class, then this is for you. So click thumbs up or like or subscribe right now, right? So you don't lose this video. You want to save this playlist, right? The discounts here. I'm doing this like this for the Sunnysiders. All right, next. In this video, I'll first explain who this class isn't for and what you won't learn. And if you're still around, I'll tell you what's on the exam and some of the things you will learn. Like signs the girl is working in the adult industry. Signs your hair is going to fall out. Yup. Signs of serious emotional or medical problems, etc., etc., etc. If you've ever watched my horoscope live stream or my astro stalking show on the Sunny Side on YouTube, you'll know what I'm talking about. All right, next, here we go. You already know who I am, but if you don't, just go to the Sunny Side, all one word on YouTube, and check me out. Next, this class is not a technical class. You will not learn how to cast a chart. We are not doing the math. So no part of fortune, etc., etc., etc. We're not doing too much. Okay, we're also not doing too much with constellations. So not too much about zodiac signs, like we will, but it's not the usual stuff you read in books. This is my stuff, how we do Sunnyside astrology here. Additionally, I don't use vague or abstract language to pretending to be smart or know more than you do. I know most of my students, most of the people who attend my classes and most of the people who watch my YouTube videos, it's a combination of beginners, astro-curious, and I have a number of professional astrologers and tarot readers and aspiring psychics who watch the Sunny Side learning. All right, whatever, I already know this. No, you do too. All right, so it's not technical, new agey, or doused in vague language. This course is exactly what everyone wants to know in astrology, regardless of your level. Signs of everything. On the exam, you will be asked for signs of abortion, signs of miscarriage, signs someone is going to cheat in relationships, signs of suicide, mental health problems, signs someone might be gay or sexually deviant, signs someone might go to jail, signs of violence, signs of divorce, multiple long-term relationships. There's also a bunch of good stuff. I know that sounds negative, right? There's also a bunch of good stuff like money and if someone is loose in the zipper. Don't you want to know if the person you're talking to is loose in the zipper, man? I think you do. I think you do. Next. All right, next. In the next video, all right, this is the introductory video. In the next video, I'm going to describe the course format, how to best use the videos, and where to obviously get the study materials and the exam, right? If you're on one of the other websites, you'll just get it from there. But from us, I'll show you how to get it. All right, there's going to be a playlist and a podcast on my YouTube channel, The Sunny Side, right? So make sure you save it. And that's the action. Oh, wow, we did it. Thanks for sticking it out to the end, guys. Note, you are going to be able to do this class. It's easy. It's all about astrological placements. So it's a lot of material, but I put it in the modules for you, so you are going to survive it. There are quizzes and a final exam. This is a real course that you guys have been asking me to make. It's a lot cheaper and a lot easier than taking my physical in-person class or online, right? Where I do make you do the math and you can fail. This course here is easy, customizable, right? This course is customizable for your own learning needs and most importantly, your own budget. It's a lot of fun, and you can easily do it with all of your friends. Many of you are going to study each other's charts in groups. I already know what you guys do. Like, I've been around a long time. Many of you are going to study each other's charts in groups, and you're going to be surprised that your bestie actually worked a pole when she was young. Maybe you won't be surprised. Okay. Again, this is a lot of fun. After this course, you will ask everyone for their sun, moon, and ascendant, but you will tell no one yours. Seriously, Sunny? Okay, man. Moon in the 6th house. Chronic masturbation. You want people to know that about you? Next. Next. If you want to learn, but you're still not sure that this is the right class for you, then just join me on the Astro Stalking podcast on the Sunny Side. Oh my God, man. The Sunny Side on YouTube, and you'll see more of what I'm all about. And that's the action, man. Okay, before we go, I'm reminding everyone, save the video, save the playlist, because I'm not, this is going to get buried on the channel. All right, and that's the action. From the Sunny Side on YouTube, I'm Sunny, wishing everyone the best of a super amazing day, and I'll see you guys in class.